The soma is the cell body which contains the nucleus and everything needed for survival. The vesicles, they are like spit bubbles that hold the neurotransmitters. Here are the dendrites. They receive information from other neurons. The more dendrites a cell has, the more neurons it can communicate with. The axon is a thin fiber that extends from the soma to the terminal buds, and the axon hillox is where the axon connects to the soma. The myelin sheath helps the signal travel faster along the neuron and protects the axon from damage and signals from other neurons. The nodes of Ranvier are the areas without myelin sheath. The way this helps speed up transmission is that the electrical current or signal jumps from node of Ranvier to node of Ranvier instead of traveling down the entire axon. The axon terminal is the area at the end of the neuron where it meets another neuron, and the synaptic gap is the space between the cell membrane and the axon terminal. Neutral transmission occurs when a neuron is activated or fired like a water gun and sends out an electrical impulse. When a neuron is sufficiently stimulated to reach the threshold, then depolarization, which is a change in cell potential, occurs. Neurons have two types of potentials, a resting potential and an action potential. The threshold must be reached before a change from resting to action potential occurs. After the action potential occurs, there is a refractory period, a period of time when the neuron must become polarized again. Then exocytosis occurs. Transmitters are sent out from the cell membrane. Once re-released, the neurotransmitters enter the synaptic gap. The message is then retrieved and then the process occurs again.